YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Sean here today. We're gonna do a PC build, doing me a new video editing system here. I need something that can be a little more smooth handling 4K footage, maybe some 8K, 6K, no telling. I'm gonna be throwing in AMD 3900 CPU, so that should definitely give me the power I need. I'm usually been an Intel guy, but switching up. See, that's where a lot of people are headed, especially with these video editing builds. So let's go ahead and get into it, assemble it, see how it go. Alright YouTube, so we got the PC build completed. It was I'd say the build was pretty smooth for the most part. The RGB fan controllers, that was a little tricky because I've never really dealt with RGB fans before. We were using the Cooler Master RGB Fans with the CPU cooler kit. Instructions were pretty much informative as far as hooking it up, but as far as like controlling and how to get the software, that was a little tricky. We found a couple of YouTube videos to help us out with that. I'll add those in the description for those maybe using the same gear that wants that reference. We also got in, the AMD 3900X, and we have the 2070 EVGA RTX Supercard Black Edition in there as well. And I have a 1TB M.2 hard drive. Then I got I put in my SSD 1TB, and I have a couple other traditional SATA 3.5 hard drives for storage space. So far, performance has been really good from what we've done. We tested it with some After Effects, did a little bit of Premiere work, but nothing too extraneous to really test out the power yet. As far as the build, there were a few little hiccups as far as installing the Windows 10 Pro. I had a copy of Windows 10 Pro, so when I was installing it, we kept getting the blue screen. It was saying there was an error during the installation process. My good friend Uriel here, who was helping me with the build, he informed me that with the newest hardware is out there, the Windows 10 also sometimes is updated. So he said, make sure and check you got the latest copy of the Windows 10 Pro. You can easily download it and bump to a flash. Just go to the Windows site, and then once you install it, you'll just need your product key, which you can get a product key anywhere. And then pretty much that was it was smooth after that. So that was really our main hiccup. And then just hooking up the RGB fans. But other than that, everything was good. I'm going to be real happy. Definitely happy with this build. 12-core CPU. That's definitely a nice upgrade from what I've been doing. And I should be able to take my video post-production to the next level. So thank you all for tuning in. Leave some comments, any suggestions, things you may have on similar builds in the comments, and we'll get at you later. You all take care.